how to use this button. Control. This one is limit and the restart and the pause and the start. How to use this control the report run the program. Use the here. First, this one only use the one station. Choose the open the program 01 here. We now choose the step and delete the step 1 or 2. We now choose the one. Use this one is mother program and edit the program another. How to use the code order? We can press this button here. AC basic language. Use the program controller here. We use the code. And just where the teacher line program name is choose the here and here. Best. And call line. Yeah. And line 1. Must create change it. Check just the program name. Okay, no. Line. Okay, line 1. Yeah. Done here. Okay, now it's great, right? And must here edit the PC program. We use the back. We choose the menu and the off section. Right. And choose the system. And here choose the PC one start here and select the start. And 1 here is 1. This button is 1. Okay, PC start and choose the program manage here and choose this one auto start PC. Okay. Here, let's choose press the 8, right? If you want to how to use run the master, run the disk remote. We only use one. Okay. Okay here. This one is 8. Okay. We first run the choose here. Also this one choose here. And then same. Here must there like this. Okay, open the motor, and A, choose the A, select the motor is right. We now only press this button, press this button. Alright, if you want to pass, here, the robot the pass. If you want to restart, go here and the pass. And the place the pass is one. go home. Goes won't start. If you want to start this button, this controller can put another here. You only use this button. Right? Here you can won't start the limit green. Okay, and we now win this line. This one is put another here. Okay.